Today we are going to be talking about how the Aerofabb front splitter is holding up. I had recently just seen on our Facebook group, somebody was asking, man, should I put my splitter on? I just got it. We're in the dead of winter. Is it a good idea to put the splitter on? How's it going to hold up to salt, rocks, snow, debris on the road, all that kind of fun stuff. And I'm going to tell you guys today my experience with it. I've had it on for probably about like 4 or 5 months now. And we are in the dead of winter. It's a good time to do a little review, give you guys some information, and we're going to see how well it's holding up. The reason I got the jack was, I'm going to jack it up so we can take a look underneath. I have scraped a decent amount, like one of those like scrapes like coming out of somewhere, it's like not level with the road, and it's like, and it just makes you want to cry. All right, easy, easy. It's not that big of a bump, not too bad. So guys, the front splitter is a little bit dirty right now. I'm gonna hit it with just some quick shine so we can see any type of defects in it, any type of injuries it's sustained, and anything that's wrong with it. And then I'm gonna jack the car up so that we can see underneath it and see just how bad those scrapes were that you guys just saw. So guys, overall, it's holding up very well. There are some tiny, little tiny nicks in it here and there. I don't know if that's from hitting rocks or hitting objects or things like that, but overall it's holding up very well. Very pleased with it. So if you're asking yourself, should you wait till after winter? I don't think you should. I think you should put it on right now so you can take all those sweet, buttery, smooth Instagram pictures that people like to say and get a little bit more clout for yourself. There's some people out there that'll wait till spring to do it. But then on the flip side, you're gonna drive it next winter anyway, so just put it on. Anyways, I'm gonna jack it up and I wanna see what it looks like underneath and see how big of gouges there are and whatnot, and see how the hardware's holding up. Tell you guys if it's worth it, especially with people living in places that has a lot of potholes, uneven pavement, and issues like I'm having. Alright, get yourself a handy dandy creeper. Anyways, let's take a look and see if we can really see what's going on. Definitely see some small scratches going on. Hardware seems to be okay. Oh, there's some scratches. Yep, that's probably where those came from. But not too bad, not too deep or anything like that. As expected, I guess. You can look right here and see what it looked like before. Look at my bumper before. That was before. All times I scraped. After looking at this, I honestly think that there's more damage to the bottom of the bumper than there is to the bottom of the splitter. So it's almost like if I would have had the splitter on before, I never would have had as bad of damage on my bumper. Because I'm guessing that this stuff is a higher quality plastic than the bumper. So would I recommend buying this for your car that you use all year round? Definitely, go buy one, they're awesome. Guys, do you think I should bring back merch? I've had a couple people ask me. Merch? Yes, no, drop a comment, let me know. Anyways guys, we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, have a great day. Peace.